Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to make a coverage versus length plot in Google Sheets. Okay, so unlike with the Excel method, here the first thing we need to do is rename the scaffolds faster file that we're going to use to replace the .faster part of the file name with .txt. This is just so that it can be uploaded to Google Sheets. Okay, so then we are going to go to a blank Google Sheets spreadsheet. We're going to click File, and then we're going to click Import. We're going to select the scaffolds file we want to use, and then click Import Data, leaving all the default options as they are. So this can take a little moment as we're dealing with a very large quantity of data, so let's just wait while the data is imported into Google Sheets. Okay, so that's just loading there, and in just a second we'll see that our FASTA file has been uploaded correctly. We have the header line here and then the sequence data down here. So the next step is to delete all the sequence data from the spreadsheet. So to do this, first we click the top of column A, we go to data, and then we want to click sort sheet by column A to Z. So what this will do is it will push all the header lines up to the top and all the sequence data lines down to the bottom. Then we want to go to the top cell containing any sequence data. So one way that might be easy to find that is to hit Control and F and then hit the box with the three dots here, then put A in the find bar and then click match entire cell contents, then hit find. This is because in many FASTA files, this won't be true of all of them, it's very common for there to be sequence data that just consists of a line with a single A and nothing else. So then we want to make sure that that top cell with sequence data is selected. Then we want to go all the way down to the bottom, shift click the last box with any sequence data and then hit delete, and then this will delete all of our sequence data. Okay, so then we want to select all the header lines. So make sure that they are all selected, then hit data and hit split text into columns. So we see we have the little separator box there. Click where it says detect automatically and then click custom. And then in this case we want to divide them into separate columns by the underscore. So we type an underscore into this box and hit enter. And that's split our data into 6 distinct columns. So the columns that we're most interested in here are D, which contains the length data, and F, which contains the coverage data. So this is the data we'll use to make the coverage versus length plot. Okay, so we click the top of column D, and then we want to control click the top of column F. So then we want to insert a chart. So click insert, then click chart, and then we want to click the chart type drop down menu, go down to scatter, and then click the one on the left here, the scatter chart. Okay, so then the next step is to go into customize, and then where it says vertical axis, we want to go down and make sure that where it says logarithmic scale is checked, and this gives us our coverage versus length plot here. Although just to improve readability, I also recommend going into series and changing the point size from the default of 7 down to 2. Okay, so that's it. I hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching.